Thomas, I got you too. Do what, 12? Yeah, I got him. I got you, kid, and I got you too, Steamboat. Yeah, I got you, Shorty. All right, I appreciate it. I'm going to go watch for a bus. Easy down, Shorty. We got you too, Dodge, kid. We got you, Caroline, kid. Dodge Skills checking in. We got you, Dodge. All right, there's 3 of them. Brim. Dodge said there's 3 of them. I'm back out of the way. Yeah, I got Dodge, Light Bulb, and is that Jesse? Is that right, Dodge? Hey, did you get your antenna? Is that what you're talking on? Okay, holding on, Dodge, sounding good, bro. I got about 9 pounds on you, sounding good. Dodge, I'm back out of the way. I got him marked down, 12. Oh, we got the Carolina Kid. We got Carolina Kid signed in.
How about a copy on number 44 over here in Beaver Dam?
Yeah, 44, I got you, buddy. 226, Brim. I got you, 44.
10-4, good evening time to everybody.
You say 226, Rat? Yes, sir, he's in there jumping up and down. We got you, 226. Appreciate it, buddy. He's keyed up. I hear you. Go ahead, Dodge. Go ahead, Dodge. Okay. You said double nickel. Double nickel, sign. Double nickel in. Got him. All right,